Hey guys, welcome to our channel PowerStroke India. Today we are going to review the last model of Hyundai i20 i20 Sportz that came into the market just before Hyundai released their new i20 with all new look. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started.
Calling to say
Hyundai i20 Sportz comes with halogen headlamps. Hyundai's signature cascade design grille along with stylish bumper and front shape design adds on to the beauty. Dual-tone interior with 7-inch infotainment system, steering mount controls, just adds on to the features of this car. Instrument cluster is just a class apart. Let's check how the infotainment system works. So now it's responding really great. And the best part of this infotainment system is there's a built-in GPS as well. Brilliant, isn't it? And down here you can see the aux, USB and 12-volt charging points. There are tweeters and speakers in the door, and the ORVM control in the driver's side door is of top notch. The armrest next to the driver's seat also has a small storage space in it. And the sunglass holder console is another feature in Hyundai's vehicles. ORVM can be opened or closed from the button that's right next to the driver. The rear LED tail lamps, Hyundai i20 badging, everything adds on to the beauty of this car. The boot space of this car is 285 liters, and you also have the foldable rear seat option, which increases the boot space of this car. And now let's check how this car performs. 1.2 liter 4-cylinder petrol engine responds quite well. The tire profile is 185 by 65, are 15-inch tires. This comes with the alloy wheels, which really provides a great grip to this car. And now the turning radius of the car is about 5.2 meters, and the comfort level is just great. Front disc and rear drum brake performs really well. Now let's check how the reverse camera works. Quite well. So with a ground clearance of 170mm, smooth suspension and great mileage of 18 km per liter, this car becomes the best one amongst the others in this class. So the piano black finish with magnetic roof antenna adds more to the beauty of this car. So last but not the least, just before Hyundai released their new model, this model is gonna remain in our heart forever. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe right now and please press the bell icon and make sure that you receive the notification whenever we upload the new videos. Thanks for watching, guys. And if you have any questions, please post them in the comment section. Thank you.